Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own. Which is more important to you, friends or family?
To be honest, family comes first. However, there are some friends who become our family members. The bond between family members is often stronger, but this does not mean that we do not have friends who are less important in our life. Being with the family makes us who we really are, and friends make our life worth living.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.